Hello science students, I am sure you must have performed exceedingly well in your NEET and JEE examinations. Now what next? As they say, options are always better, and in India right now the best option available to you is CUET. Now as far as domain specific subjects are concerned like physics, chemistry, bio and maths, you are prepared. But what about section 1 which is English, language and section 3 which is general test? What about the last minute CUET preparation tips for these two sections? CUE presents you the test series for these two sections. CUET test series section 1 499 very economical, CUET test series section 3 499 very economical. Just check this website online.cube.study and see these courses. Last minute preparation tips for last few days. The best way is to give mocks. Mocks give you your analysis of strengths and weaknesses, and once you do these mocks you'll be able to face the actual examination with full confidence. So go and enroll in these courses. All the best guys, and God bless you always.